Hello all. So today we will be discussing class 7 geography, that is chapter 7, natural vegetation and wildlife. So what is natural vegetation? So the natural growth of plants life or flora from the smallest grass to the tallest tree is known as the natural vegetation. They grow without the interference of human beings. So there are certain elements which influences the growth of plant. Basically, it's rainfall, temperature, sunlight, moisture, elevation, slope and thickness of soil. So the natural vegetation has been categorized into three broad categories. It's forest, grassland and shrubs. Forests are further subcategorized as tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous, temperate evergreen, temperate deciduous, Mediterranean vegetation and coniferous forest. Whereas grassland has been further subcategorized as temperate grassland and tropical grassland. On the other hand, shrubs are also categorized as deserted vegetation and tundra vegetation. Now forest. Forest refers to an extensive area of land covered mostly with trees. They grow mostly in the area of where temperature and rainfall are plentiful. The first one is tropical evergreen forest. These forests are well grown in the area near the equator and close to the tropics. These forests are also called tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforests are basically found in Amazon basin, Zar basin, Vietnam, Indonesia, etc. Tropical evergreen forests of India are found in the Andaman and Nicobar Island, the Western Ghats which fringe the Arabian Sea, the coastline of Peninsular Plateau, the Greater Assam region in the northeast. Then small remnants of evergreen forest are found in Orissa state. These regions are hot. These regions are hot and they receive heavy rainfall throughout the year. The trees are tall and they don't shed their leaves altogether. The trees have thick canopies which make it difficult to enter the forest. Now vegetation. So hardwood trees like ebony, mahogany, rosewood, etc. are found in these forests. Whereas if we see the wildlife, then animals such as apes, snakes, lizards, monkey, crocodile, elephants, python, etc. are the main animals found here. In tropical deciduous forest. These forests are also known as monsoon forest. So these forests are found in northern Australia, Central America and in large part of India. In India, they grow in the states of Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, plentiful in the Western Ghats, parts of Maharashtra and as well as the southern areas of the Deccan Plateaus. These forests are affected by the seasonal changes of moisture and sun heat. The trees of these forests shed their leaves in the dry season. The forests have great economic value because woods of the trees of these forests are used for making furniture, transport equipment, etc. Vegetation of these forests. So, hardwood trees like teak, neem, sal, shisham, etc. are found in these forests. Whereas animals such as langurs, monkeys, lions, tigers, elephants, etc. are mainly found in this forest. Now the temperate evergreen forest. The temperate evergreen forests are located in the mid-latitudinal coastal region. The main areas having temperate evergreen forest are Southeast USA, South China, Southern Japan, Eastern Africa, and Southeast Brazil. Vegetations that are found in these forests are hardwood and softwood trees such as oak, pine, eucalyptus, walnut, camphor, etc. Timber is found in these forests and it is extremely valuable. These forests are thick. Animals such as sheep, cattle, pig are mainly found in this forest. These are reared to get wool, meat and skin. Now temperate deciduous forest. Temperate deciduous forests are found in higher latitude. These forests are mainly found in New Zealand, Japan, Northeast China, Northeast USA, Southern Chile, Western Europe. These forests shed their leaves in winter season. Trees of these forests have thick trunks and broad leaves. They require moderate temperature and rainfall. Wildlife. The animals like deer, beavers, wolves, foxes, squirrels, etc. are commonly found here. Birds like monals and peasants are found here. Vegetation. So, beech, oak, ash, fir, maple, cedar, poplar are the main trees of these forests. Now, Mediterranean vegetation. These forests are well grown in the region of dry summer and wet winters. It is found in the areas like southwest USA, southwest Africa, southeastern South America, southwest Australia, Italy, Spain, South France, Portugal, Greece, etc. The trees of these forests have broad leaves. They have thick bark and wax-coated leaves. Mediterranean forests are also called orchards of the world. Now, under vegetation, Mediterranean vegetation is world famous for its variety of citrus fruits like grapes, oranges, etc. Moreover, olives, fig, oaks, pine, fir are also found in these regions. Then animals such as golden eagle, spiny mouse and wild goat are also found. The last one is coniferous forest. These are found in the northern hemisphere between 50° to 70° north latitude. These types of forest are mainly found in United States, Canada, Sweden, Finland and Russia. These types of forest are also called as taiga. They have straight and tall trees. These trees have small and needle-like leaves. Their wood are used to make paper, matchbox, packing boxes, etc. Vegetation such as spruce, pine, fir, larch, cedar, etc. are mainly found in these forests. Wildlife. Mink, polar bear, silver fox, sable, beaver, reindeer, caribou, musk, etc. are the animals that is mainly found in these regions. Now, the second category, that is grassland. So grassland, basically it refers to the region of the world that covers with thick and green grasses. These are found in the areas of moderate rain, and there are two types of grassland, that is tropical and the temperate. So tropical grassland, these occur on either side of the equator and extended till the tropics. They are well grown in the region of moderate to low rainfall. Vegetation. Tall and thick grass along with scattered trees, are the main vegetation of these grasslands. The main wildlife of the tropical grasslands are zebra, elephant, deer, leopard, giraffes. Tropical grassland are known by different names in different regions. In East Africa, it is known as savanna. In Brazil, it is known as campus. And in Venezuela, it is known as llanos. Now, the second subcategory is temperate grassland. These are found in the mild latitudinal zones and in the interior part of the continent. These are also called as the granaries of the world. Vegetation. These are lack in tall trees and they have healthy green and nutritious grass. So, bison, wild buffaloes, and antelopes are the common animals found in the temperate grassland. Temperate grassland are also known by different names in the different region. In Argentina, it is known as pampas. In North America, it is known as prairie. In South Africa, it is known as veld. In Central Asia, it is known as steppe. And in Australia, it is known as down. Now, shrubs. They refer to the woody plants smaller than the trees. There are two types of shrubs. First one is tundra vegetation. This type of vegetation are found in the North Polar region. The area is covered with snow almost throughout the year. Mosses, lichens, and small shrubs are found in these regions. Animals such as snow foxes, Arctic owl, musk, oxen, walrus, seal, etc. are mainly found in tundra region. Second is thorny bushes. Most of the desert of the world are found on the western margin of the continents. These are found in the areas of high temperature, high evaporation and low rainfall. These plants or shrubs have long and strong roots, thorny surface and wax coated leaves. Thank you.